But yeah, MPs no be selfish. The amount boy me papa na education. Me joy. The amount boy na kame ye hu of your say ya pama mo na. Na kame ba ya pama mo na. Oh, écoutez, les minimum un peu différent. Tu peux imaginer les pâtes, un grand. Après, il y a un centre. C'est Ghana. Après, ma femme. Amen. When did you do yourself?
Okay. Hello. 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 Asante. Nan. Menka. Oche menka. Mete wonka. Sesi a mu His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo ne resident. So it's ahwefo be hwa nipa chenku ewa ha sei. Dodo na members of parliament. Emu supporters. Journalists for so abodon pe so ebe yi enkomo anase omu semweni so na interview e course no dodo na esusu say wo mu no ma be pie mu ha esan say omu jitu mu preko pese His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo danka no onu na wafa eye akono na ube pie mu ha securities nso de eye cham chese omo bupa chese omo juma sen ebe ya sakasaka ye bia enkoso ewa ha wenchi bia enkoso ewo bia ya ha sei na ya no do na ye crowd a wo mo twen enimu se eye easy ebeba out na odi aba se eye His Excellency na afa wo mo twen enim na wona wa fodon pe mo ane de titi se eye den ya His Excellency dankwa na akonya no ya na bibia kire reporter koso wo media no bibia kire se ye papa ya na akonya no wono na tight by security tight woni hwe ya wa ha ebe ya den se wo mo be ma wo ewrem na wo ba afa se ya media personalities media ko na chese omo so ma ya crowd twen enimu se si be declare no na omo so ministers ne supporters omo bo chenku wa ha say atitwe enkomo enti anu ani egu so twen nim say isi embe kasa enti say si ano
Hello,
Meche
Mr.
kumusano.
Yeah,
Party menka.
Now, what we can? Let me say,
But class
opposition for no so I can say, oh my dumping. Who put you any today? A grant international conference.
Emunya class.
Yeah, baby.
Ote menka.
Hello, Twinka.
Okay.
Let me say, to see our opposition party, no, NDC, no. Okay.
Me pacho repeat your
I
question
know
if
say
you.
opposition party, NDC, no. Okay.
Dede wa hakakra na network and so nyentimension na enya conversation yes
Oh, okay. To ultimate, you know, so line here clear.
Sesi anya metia eti selia etiefoɔ no ɛhwɛ no ɛyɛ supporters ne members of parliament kyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa n'adɔfo na ɛabɔ dɔmpem wɔ ase yɛ ɔmo twɛ anim sɛ yisi bɛkasa na ebi mu susu sɛ yisi by 3 o'clock na yisɛ na etie bia ɛyɛ sɛ nkurɔfokuo a ɔmo abɔ dɔmpem wɔ ano deɛ ɔmo ayɛ ready paa sɛ wɔn bɛtwɛn ɛyɛ time bi a yisi bɛyɛ ready na ɔbɛdi declare ɛyɛ aba no.
Okay.
Ete bɛ mu fa mo ani ndi akyire saa. Patro metumi no ayɛ interview. Ebusuafoɔ nsa aka yɛ papa baako a yɛne no ɛba bɛtwetwe nkɔmmɔ mema wo apa na mpatwɔ bɛtumi na mpatwɔ hɔ ne ɛyɛ position bi ɛwɔ ɛyɛ NDP aba
the president.
na wohwɛ sɛ nea bɛyi kɔɔ yi a asɛ yɛkyɛ sɛ wɔde ɛyɛ declaration bi asɛ ɛyɛ amanyɔkuo wei na afa anaa amanyɔkuo wei na afa aba no wohwɛ aba no kɔ ɛyɛ free and fair election.
America says, and you 100% one region and then buy. But also, or a lawyer in the Ankasa, would remember, but the Mras or the Mras, and I would Russia was now we on any yeah, oh yeah. It's over here declare, but the day I would say. Also, I saw trainer other radio, every come. That I declare a man. Hey, I want to say, Papa, even the whole God, the whole world, will be any percentage at the home. It's before say, yeah, Russia. Before I didn't sound I was now that's my I
Sɛnea wokasa ɛyɛ free and fair election kyɛ sɛ biribi akyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa wɔ no ɔno bɛfa na ɛkɔba sɛ yisi bɛdeclare na afa ama ɛyɛ NDC amanyɔkuo no ɛno saa no hwɛ a ɛdeɛn na ɛde Ghana nkyɛ sɛ nneɛma ni bɛyɛ.
There be anything there. Man kasa na entumi masa nso da say ebetumi atene akoma NDC never ensimpo da ensimpo da ejanu enim say ade na clear eda ho It's you be no but I can say and I used to say friends say I did not attend what he a quan person for attend. And then I claim be any. It's an put the on the Twitter. You have the better.
Okay, yes, I say but say. And say you must stop on other regions and then come and say what to say become one say to me I run.
Yeah, the run of because the player no FM. No data all the listen on the edge, as compared to other nearby. Everybody become now. Even though I come everybody become financial. Because everybody is good. But the use in the embassy to one more. The end of the it's in it. Madam, I don't know that. But I am not confident, Mama. If you are a state, I'll bet you and radio the supporters round. Economic company, the clever MPP. Almost on the comfort, almost or idiot number one. Over to our phone. And just go to the front of oh, the Macacha MPP supporters. Then you did. Yeah, NDC 4 NC program. Anyone normally. Yes, sir. It's a Macacha MPP supporters, especially Ghana. I'm a Ghana now. I have to go. And what's 6 o'clock? What's 6 o'clock? Now, you know, yeah, come to back. They are coming to the catcher and support the Ghana man. I said, we are coming up to every day.
Up to now, easy and out and
sure said be better than that time. No, will be make us say when the party I back and we see it will not be all your name and say or to run a focus. Now, I'm collected the year that results in the back. What did we need have a two guys? But you also who declare, you know, that's the first thing and the lady. Even police station now said, for instance, now can you put under the camp, that's the young single boat Castella. Don't give meeting and last from the made me feel say and then someone who got saving a canon own to me out and say I consider defeat. I know that was making sure say a side of mine we a penny 7 Bobby your man so any get away memu and here one what get to know young but what is other parliamentary candidates are not competing in I congratulate him. I don't see why the mama figure to congratulate him. If I would be congratulating her, yeah, the catch your supporters may say I didn't lose no trust. Me I'm planning for beer 2024. I'm called I speak this on.
Easy so accept defeat, sir.
And easier now. I say any day. Is that what he's telling us? I know I'm person because I know now. Mama was saying, "Can't change the fire. Yeah, person like I go to a man and I don't know what young farmer no me win." And then part of
you na say, yeah, you know, said, do not to say one more train him say, about to jar. I bet to Johnny, our fire a year aconiano. Now, yen show a cobasa easy back out now say, Waka say, yeah, and this a mano buono, and now woman fire a year aconiana, a very surprise and I
okay, yeah, after speculation, yeah. Say, and yeah, I guess dinner, or say, oh, it be a surprise. It's something that I feel and I also yeah. And I go for the 51 point something. You understand? And the young fans say,
the more original result on the air attaching now a percentage dropping and this
TV station 275 points, you know. They declare 240. Yeah, come on, Medica. They come from Bahama. What do you come out there? Yeah. Okay, I'm going to say yes. Said you're okay. I'm going to say well, we know winning. Obedient means also this to declare that results in times and times. Okay, constitution and man that mandate and so on. And all it is the baby. That is it. My understanding is that easy percent they declare and that's what we need now. Oh, now your constituency where my cannot. I say it young Chinese na on can in or cut 275 access one so great. Say I can't be necessary another say you know
my final question who share elections are soon this election won't say free and fair.
I'm the me baby original say bet me akabia where this is the transparent and then free and fair election in this country. When you understand? Mommy, ever yet the war started, parliament register and almost started here. No, because I mean, try say I'm opinion of what some count to end this. When you was I say yes, I am catching my meat. I did your funny talk. Now I'm catching Ghana for the we say I did you. How why na juma
Tu unse wa bwana wa dem ka.
In fact say me mark ma me na ke man 100 over.
Okay. Se si ayen hwe ni mu say. So ye be declare. Ah, we na na ye wan.
Number 1. One of catches.
Okay, we there. Send your ma kwe. Put you be a obi ada fa tu jama.
Make a chance. The law no na man that mandate na when you declare. Other than that, they declare say you win. Go for the look of Niama Air Force we here. Don't win it.
We there e put you be a person of the mati me tu jama.
Na for say omu na nye di MPP supporters. Obi ya ono no any bibi ya na say we go to trust. Ye nyina ye di ni say win. Ye nkwa basa basa. NDC for no say omu na win ma we basa basa. Ye di je ni owo. Ye ntwan obi ya coming down. Na you see declare win and you are. Ado dan ko for no say ade ye ya. Na for ye ji ye ni je ni e beje pa.
Me da se pa, me da champagne de mi she ni mu pa. Yo, it's life. Yeah, it's excellence in another that here in the residence. I want Nima police station. Opposition mua. Dodo na be pie mu wa ha, emu MPs, emu supporters, emu journalists. Dodo na be pie mu a womo twa ni mo hwe ni mu se ye be declare nya enye abano. Ye ko. Utmu se bi mu ameda be omo fie kra mu nkoye. Ebi mu so mu dware na enye ọma saba. Tuti mu sa manfo ani abre pa. Kope mu se ye president ankasa. Wo no ye yi no ye di ne din betu ja. No, not. So be man, mo se men kasa wo se me ye tu e fa ma me na. Yeah, it's a one way now. You feel like it.
All life. Custody of a
too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankan Bukasho.